Welcome to Synthetic Worlds. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to the deepest point of our planet, the mysterious Mariana Trench. Beneath these rolling waves lies a hidden universe, a place of crushing pressure and eternal darkness that few have ever dared to visit. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, this crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust stretches over 2,500 kilometers in length. The existence of this abyss was first confirmed in 1875 by the British ship HMS Challenger during the first global oceanographic expedition. Using simple weighted ropes, those brave pioneers discovered that the ocean floor dropped away into a seemingly bottomless pit beneath their wooden hull. To understand the scale, imagine dropping Mount Everest into this trench. Its peak would still be over 2 kilometers below the ocean surface. But how did this massive chasm form? The answer lies in the dynamic and violent dance of tectonic plates beneath the ocean floor. Through a process called subduction, the heavy Pacific plate is forced beneath the smaller Mariana plate, dragging the crust down into the mantle. This collision not only creates the deep trench, but also fuels volcanic activity and earthquakes that constantly reshape the landscape of the region. The walls of the trench are steep and rugged, a geological archive recording the history of our planet, written in stone and sediment. As we descend deeper, the water pressure builds to catastrophic levels, becoming the greatest barrier to human exploration of this alien underwater world. At the bottom, the pressure is equivalent to an elephant standing on your thumb, over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. Any standard object filled with air would be instantly crushed. Only specially designed vessels made of thick steel or titanium can survive here. In 1960, two men named Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard accepted the challenge to pilot the bathyscaphe Trieste to the very bottom. Inside a cramped steel sphere, they began a slow 5-hour fall through the water column, trusting their lives to physics and engineering. During the descent, a loud crack echoed through the sphere as one of the outer window panes fractured under the immense crushing weight. Miraculously, they survived and touched down on the Challenger Deep, proving that humanity could reach the most remote corner of our home planet. Now, let us recreate that journey with modern eyes, exploring the distinct ecosystems that thrive at different depths as we sink into the abyss. We start in the sunlight zone, where photosynthesis is possible, and the majority of familiar marine life, like sharks and turtles, resides. Descending to the Twilight Zone, sunlight becomes a faint memory. Creatures here rely on large eyes and camouflage to survive the dim conditions. Here, biology begins to create its own light. Bioluminescence becomes the primary language of communication, hunting, and defense in this shadowing realm. At 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. The darkness is absolute, and giants like the elusive squid hunt in the silent void. Sperm whales dive to these incredible depths, holding their breath for over an hour to battle giant squids in the freezing cold darkness. The creatures here look like nightmares. The dragonfish uses a glowing lure to attract unsuspecting prey directly into its jaw of needle-sharp teeth. The famous anglerfish also dwells here. Its bioluminescent lure acts as a deadly trap in a world where food is incredibly scarce and valuable. Some animals, like the Atolla jellyfish, use light as a burglar alarm, flashing brightly to attract larger predators to eat whatever is attacking them. We reach the abyssal zone, covering most of the ocean floor. The temperature is near freezing, and life moves at a slow, energy-saving pace. The gulper eel has evolved a mouth that acts like a parachute, allowing it to swallow prey much larger than its own thin body. Now we cross the boundary into the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the underworld. This is the exclusive realm of the deep ocean trenches. Life here requires distinct biology. Animals have evolved specialized proteins and flexible bones to prevent their bodies from collapsing under the immense weight of water. The Mariana snailfish is the deepest living fish ever discovered. Its translucent, gelatinous body lacks scales, perfectly adapted to thrive in this extreme environment. Unlike the scary monsters above, this champion of the deep looks surprisingly gentle, proving that life finds a way in the most hostile conditions. At the very bottom, huge swarms of amphipods, resembling oversized shrimp, scavenge for food particles that drift down from the productive waters miles above. These scavengers have a synthetic-like shell that protects them. They are the cleanup crew of the trench, consuming anything that falls to the bottom. We also find sea pigs, strange sea cucumbers that walk on tube legs. They march across the abyssal plains like a herd of alien cattle. Perhaps the strangest of all are the xenophyophores. These act like giant sponges, but are actually single-celled organisms that can grow to the size of basketballs. While human cells are microscopic, these mysterious giants challenge our understanding of biology, existing as one continuous cell containing thousands of nuclei within it. Scientists believe these deep environments, rich in chemicals and heat, might be similar to the cradle where life on Earth first began billions of years ago. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron returned to this alien world in a vertical torpedo-shaped sub, spending hours filming the desolate landscape. He described the bottom as a lunar landscape, a desolate and isolated place that felt completely removed from the vibrant world of humanity above. Yet, even here, in the most remote place on Earth, we have found traces of humanity. Plastic waste has been discovered at the very bottom. Shockingly, researchers have found microplastics in the stomachs of creatures living in the trench, proving that our impact reaches every corner of the globe. Robotic explorers continue to visit the trench, collecting samples that might hold cures for diseases or new materials for future technology and engineering. The trench is not silent. It captures the sounds of earthquakes, passing ships, and whale calls, trapping them in the deep acoustic channel of the ocean. Every expedition brings new surprises. We are constantly discovering species that defy classification, reminding us how little we actually know about our own planet. It is often said that we have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of our own ocean floor. As we ascend back to the surface, leaving the crushing dark behind, we carry with us a sense of awe for this hidden frontier. The Mariana Trench stands as a testament to the resilience of life and the endless mysteries that still await discovery in the deep blue. From the microscopic giants to the deepest diving fish, the inhabitants of the Hadal Zone show us that life can flourish anywhere. Future generations of explorers will undoubtedly uncover more secrets from these depths, perhaps finding answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. The ocean is the lifeblood of our planet, and its deepest trenches are its most guarded secrets, vital to the health of the global ecosystem. Protecting these remote environments is not just about saving weird fish, it is about preserving the complex balance of the world we all share. We hope this journey has inspired you to look at the ocean with new eyes, respecting the power and mystery of the deep. The Mariana Trench remains one of the last true frontiers on Earth, a silent witness to the geological and biological history of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the unknown. If you enjoyed this exploration, please subscribe to Synthetic Worlds for more. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we will see you in the next video as we uncover more secrets of our amazing universe. Goodbye. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders. Until next time, this is Synthetic Worlds signing off from the bottom of the ocean. We leave you with the silent beauty of the deep, a world that thrives in darkness, waiting for the next light of discovery to arrive. From the crushing pressure of the Hadal Zone to the sunlit waves above, the ocean connects us all in ways we are just beginning to understand. There are countless stories hidden in the deep, from geology to history. We look forward to sharing more of them with you very soon. Nature's imagination is limitless. The creatures we met today are just a fraction of the biodiversity that calls the deep ocean its home. Let us cherish and protect these blue spaces. They regulate our climate, provide food, and hold the keys to our past and our future. The journey does not end here. Every wave that crashes on the shore brings a message from the deep, inviting us to explore further. At Synthetic Worlds, we blend science, technology, and storytelling to bring the impossible within your reach. Thank you for watching this deep-sea adventure. Exploration is a human instinct. Whether it is the stars above or the trenches below, we are driven to seek out the unknown. As above, so below. The mysteries of the deep ocean are as profound and significant as the mysteries of the distant galaxies in space. From the smallest plankton to the shifting tectonic plates, every element plays a crucial role in the grand symphony of our planet's life support system. Science is our lighthouse in the dark. It guides us safely through the mysteries of the world, illuminating the path to understanding and preservation. Let us celebrate the wonder of our blue planet. It is a precious jewel in the vastness of space, unique and teeming with life. The mud of the Mariana Trench holds millions of years of climate history. Decoding it will help us predict the future of our changing world. Creatures like the vampire squid remind us that reality is often stranger than fiction. Nature is the ultimate artist, creating forms beyond our imagination. With advancing technology, we are mapping more of the trench every year, slowly peeling back the layers of mystery that have hidden it for eons. The power of the deep is humbling. It demands our respect and challenges our engineering limits, pushing us to innovate and build stronger, smarter machines. But this world is fragile. Changes in ocean temperature and acidity threaten even these deep ecosystems. We must act now to preserve them for tomorrow. Conservation efforts are underway globally. By understanding these ecosystems, we can better protect them and ensure the ocean remains healthy for generations to come. The future of the Mariana Trench and the ocean as a whole is in our hands. Every action we take on the surface ripples down. We must inspire the next generation of oceanographers. Their curiosity and passion will drive the future discoveries that will change our understanding of the world. As the sun rises on a new era of exploration, we stand on the brink of great discoveries. The deep ocean is our final frontier. The quest for knowledge never ends. There are always deeper trenches to map, stranger creatures to find, and more secrets to unlock in the deep. Every drop of water tells a story. From the clouds to the rivers, and finally to the deepest trench, the water cycle connects everything. We are all citizens of this blue planet. The ocean does not divide us. It connects continents and sustains the life of every breathing creature. Human ingenuity allows us to visit these hostile places. We build machines to extend our senses, seeing and feeling where our bodies cannot go. The pull of the moon drives the tides, a rhythmic heartbeat that has pulsed for billions of years, influencing life from the shore to the deep. Like the ancient sea turtle, we are travelers on this planet. Let us move through the world with grace, leaving only bubbles and taking only memories. The ocean's currents act as a global conveyor belt, regulating our climate and weather. The health of the deep trench affects the air we breathe. As our world changes, the deep ocean may play a critical role in our survival. Understanding it is not a luxury, but a necessity. From the sunlit kelp forests to the midnight trenches, the ocean is a diverse tapestry of habitats, each one essential to the whole picture. The power of nature is undeniable. It is beautiful, terrifying, and awe-inspiring all at once. We are privileged to witness such magnificence on our journey. This concludes our deep dive into the Mariana Trench. We hope you feel a deeper connection to the hidden world beneath the waves today. This has been a production of Synthetic Worlds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures. See you next time.